In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk move issues from one project to another in Jira. This tutorial will guide you through each step of the process so you can efficiently manage your projects without any hassle. Let's get started. First, head over to the project you want to work with. At the top, you'll find a tab labeled Issues. Click on it to access the list of issues within your project. This is the main area where you'll be managing and organizing your issues. Next, you'll want to use the basic search. To do this, click on Basic. This feature allows you to easily filter and search for specific issues in your project. For our example today, we're focusing on bulk moving to-do issues. Now, locate the status drop-down and go ahead and select to-do from the options. This will filter out all the issues except for those that are marked as to-do. Filtering is crucial because it ensures you're only moving the relevant issues and not disrupting the workflow of other tasks. Once your issues are filtered, take a look at the three dots on the right-hand side of your screen. Click on these and select Bulk Change Issues. This action will initiate the process of changing multiple issues at once rather than dealing with them individually, saving you time and effort. Proceed to select the specific issues you wish to move. Once you've made your selection, click Next. This will lead you to choose the type of operation you wish to perform. Here you'll select Move Issues as the operation. After deciding on the operation, click Next again. Now you'll need to select the destination project where you'd like to move these issues. Choose your desired project from the list, ensuring it's the correct one, and then click Next. At this point, Jira may prompt you to update certain fields. This happens if the target project has different required fields than the original. Be sure to fill in any necessary information to maintain data integrity. Also, if the destination project utilizes a different workflow, you'll need to map the statuses accordingly. This step ensures a smooth transition and that no issues are left in an undefined state. With those adjustments made, click Next once more. You'll now review a summary of the issues that are about to be moved. It's important to double check this summary to confirm you're moving the correct issues and that all details are in order. Finally, click Confirm to execute the bulk move. And that's it! You've successfully moved your issues to another project in Jira. This process is not only efficient, but also helps in organizing your project tasks seamlessly across different teams or departments. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial makes managing your Jira projects a breeze.